Hello guys, a new mining faucet for a free crypto money. There is 6 faucet, all the same work. This is our Solanan faucet. There is the coin faucet, Matick faucet, Tron faucet, Litecoin faucet, and Dogecoin faucet and BNB faucet. There is all for hourly claim. It's very easy to work in this site. Then you get 10 faucet for free, just verifying your email. It's very simple. You register with your email and put password, then you verify email. It's very important to verify email to get 10 faucet for free. I will show you how to maximize your earning and a trick in the site how to maximize your earning from this faucet. All link will be in the first comment of the video, also on the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Let's begin. This is our home page. You must put your email. I will register and I will return to you. Like you see, I registered in the site. This message will appear to you to verify your email and get 10 faucet here for free for as a bonus. Here is the hourly faucet. Like you see, it's very simple. I will explain. There is stages from stone to iron. How to maximize these stages is very simple. After claiming, you go to games and play games and win in games. Target is 0.04 Solana. If you get 0.40 Solana, you will be in iron mode. Let's claim for the one. Like you see, for every claim you will get 5,000 satoshi of Solana in this stone. You maximize your earning by playing a game. Like you see, I already claimed the first. Like you see, you click in verify. You click here in verify. Now we just wait until it submitted our verification link, and we will get our 10 faucet for free. Like you see, this is the home page. There is faucet hourly, there is games. You can deposit in the site, withdraw, you can do survey. There is games in the site. Like I told you, there is a trick in games. We return to faucet. Let's verify our email. I go to Gmail to verify. Like you see, I verify my email. I go to email and click and link in the receiving email, and the email is verified. Now I have 10 faucet for free. I claim my rewards. Like you see, it's double rewards. You claim all your rewards. This is good site. This is the same for other site. It's the same principle. It's all like that. All link will be in the description on the and in the first comment of the video. Share the video and like it. We work hard to get you a very satisfied sites. Also, there is bonus of sites, other sites. Like you see, I do all bonus. Now we go to game. How to maximize your earning. We play in minus. We let it like that. We play here. How to play? We bet. We select this one. We bet. We select this. We cash out. We bet. We select this one. We cash out. Always do the small things. We cash out. This is the trick how to play in this game. It's a trick. You can choose this one or this one or this one. You let the like that, the configuration. Once appear the bomb, you click. Now I will click here. Like you see, one bomb appear, I will click in the appearance of bomb. Let's click here. Like you see, it's 19% working trick. We choose always the place of the bomb. We don't change anything in the like you see. If you want to maximize your earning, you can do this, but I don't advise. You can use these tricks. Like you see, sometimes we earn, sometimes we don't earn, but I advise to let in 3 here. Let this one in 3, don't change, and work hard in this site. For withdraw, transaction fee is 0.001. Payment is made from 0 to 0.02 Sol. It's very simple. You can earn in simple days. It's have the price is very high of Solanan. Also there is BNB, it's the same, and Dogecoin is the same. All are the same. All are the same work. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video. This is our video today. See you in another mining video.